Okay. Okay, and then you can roll it like me. Please see here. Yeah, roll. Like this. And then cut this side and the other side. Like this. And then you can roll it small. And when you come here, you can stop. You can stop here.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can put this one. Yeah, on here. This one we make is from the rice powder and the water. This one
Okay.
how cold it is. And you can roll it small. Okay, and after it's finished, it's like this.
Yes, it's
Oh,
done.
it's so nice. Okay, yeah, and now you can put it here. Yeah, on shampoo. Yeah, it's like this.
One mushroom.
Okay, I think if you want, you can use your hand. I think it's easy than for you.
No, we will retry this one.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, and after it's the shampoo and the mushroom, and have you 1 spoon this one. 1 spoon, you can put it on this.